Okay. Yeah. So once you return the promise and assign that promise to a new page, that is a new page, this one, this page, and then from that page you do whatever the actions on that new page. Now you are coming to the use this reference, use this new page reference and perform the actions on that page elements or whatever you want to do on that new page. So once you do the this verification, and if you want you can so wait for this page sometime and close them, all of them you can close. So you can close page one dot close, and then you can close, so new page dot close, you can close the new page. So maybe first I'll close the new page, right? I'll close the new page. So await, whenever you are using a page you have to use this one. This is the new page will close, then close the other one if you want, your page one if you want to close it. So the individual pages you can close by referring that pages. Page one dot close, then context you close, and then browser you close. So there's a close method, simple to remember also. Okay, let's run this, and only means this test case only will be executed. That's how to handle multiple tabs, multiple and this bring to front means which one you want to show front if multiple tabs are there. No tests are found. Okay. Oh, it's not ended here. That's the reason. Okay. I didn't close properly. Okay. It is. Oh, it failed. What is the reason? Let's see that. To have title browser context dot wait for event exceeded while waiting for event piece. Exceeded. And number 42. So this is how you need to look for your file, and this is the line number. So go to that line number and see wait for event. We have that wait for event is giving a trouble, this one. But this is the one we are waiting for, the new page event. So let me search this. Multiple pages. This is the just now we took page one, page two. Like that, you can create a new pages, and you can go to number of pages, handling new pages. See, wait for event. That's what we did. So page promise, context, wait for event, and you are clicking, then you're assigning to that new page. That's what exactly we did, right? So why it is not? If the action that triggers the new page is unknown, the following pattern can be used. Yeah, maybe you can use this one also. Wait for load state, and then you can handling the pop-ups also. But this is the one handling the pop-ups also. Similar thing. I don't know why it's not pop-up, right? So it's all about a new page it opened. So the page open means this is the one. This is the correct one. So we use what we used here. The context. Do I need to await? So let's see that. Let's run this one more time. Just look at all the errors and analyze that. Then we can run it. Let's see now this time. Maybe it's asynchronous calls. This is all the problem. Wherever await required, we have to place it properly. New page event is not triggering. Let me check with the chat GPT. New page event is not triggering. Use below error. And let me give the code also for that. Give our code. Or we have written. Let it fix it. Okay. So they're just asking instead of that what is the main reason so it is giving error is. So this error is happening because we are waiting for the page event before clicking the link that triggers the new page. But in the Playwright, if the new page opens very faster, the page event might fire before wait for event promise. So that's why it is causing a timeout. So instead of that, what we can do, we should start waiting for the event and perform the click at the same time. So that we can do a simple way, just putting this promise.all. You remember we did one of the promise.all that returns a new page, and then we did that for the alerts and right, that concept we need to implement here also. So instead of this, so what they are suggesting is these three lines, right? Instead of these three lines, let me comment on these three lines. So he is suggesting to use this one. So what is this extra? The same, what it is going to do here is promise.all, wait for event, wait for the page to be opened, and then trigger the new page at the same time, so that it doesn't timed out. So this will handle the issue. Okay, so let's do that. Let's run now. So this issue is going to resolve. See, new page is opened very nice, but when you're see now it is handled. Oh, still failing, still not handling. New page, so it has to wait for this new page, and that new page promise.all is correct only. This code is perfect. So you are waiting, so on click of this, you are waiting for this event, new page event. It is waiting and still not waiting, and it's very faster. Basically, promise.all will ensure that the event listener, whatever the event you're performing, right, click event, it has to happen simultaneously. It will click and wait for that new page. But it's not working still. similar issue we are facing. Let's see. I'll wait. We need to still ask a similar issue we are getting. Why we are getting similar? So it performed a click action, right? So it doesn't. Otherwise, we'll do this. Wait for selector. From start all. Wait for event. Oh, sorry. This is the page one, right? But yeah, this is the page only. Yeah, wait for event page. Page event only we are waiting. Still while. This is the default page we have to give. Even that is not suggesting properly the chat GPT. Well, let me use one more. Wait for load state. I'll use wait for load state before verifying that. Wait for load state. So DOM content to be loaded. And then we can use this all correct on why it's not working. Let me try this way. So I can identify this here, and this link locator dot click we can use. I'm not required this one. Yeah. Let's see this small change. We are waiting for this element to be visible, and then you can do. Let's run in debug mode. What is happening, we'll understand. So how to run in debug mode? Hyphen UI or debug, right? Just use debug. So it will automatically open two things. Okay, so let's go. This is the debug step-by-step execution. See, now it opened a piece. Then wait for that, and then so where is our next step? And so so testing stopped early after one maximum load failures. Multiple tabs is not part of any test CM. So sometimes even if you write the code properly, it doesn't work out. Oh, phase one, right? Yeah, we made a mistake. It's not phase one. We use phase one. Phase one dot this one. Yeah. So let's clean up. It's clear and run in debug mode. Okay. So let's go step by step now. See, test only is executing here in this 40 line now. So waiting for that. And the link should be visible. And wait for the event. See, that is working now perfectly. Just some time delay. Other than that, so it is waiting for the wait for timeout. So basically some time might required here because it's very faster. See, we closed the tab. Now we closing this and context and everything will be closed. So that's it. Remove this and run now. Yeah. Oh, again. Ah, say debug mode, it is working. And so I think we have to give some wait time here. So we added wait for load state, right? We added wait for load state. Can we add some wait time? We cannot add that here. This is a strange. See, some wait time it required for that, but what to do this? Let's see, this guy is suggesting something. Let's replace with this code. Whether it works or not, we'll see. Same code, but little bit changes. I'll explain that changes what he has done. So everything same, only changes. Let me show you what is the change he made. So he created a page and then opened the page object and waiting for the element to be visible and wait for event. So set up the listener before clicking. We are setting up the listener and then we are clicking on that. But there we added a wait. So before clicking on that, so listen this event. Then I am assigning that new page promise to new page. Initially what we have written, same code he has written. But I'm not sure it is going to work, but let's try it out. Okay. So both ways we tried, and he's saying is very race condition. This is working sometimes, so it gives a lot of trouble for us, even the code correctly if you have written also. That's what happening for us now. Even you have written code and both ways, returning all promise all should handle that, but this one is say it is taking time. Oh my god, irritating this one. 1000 millisecond 1 second exceeded. Okay, let's try with this. He is asking to give wait for a pop-up, but that's not a pop-up, but let's try. So whatever he has given, we'll try that. So all this will remove and keep this in a single promise. So we are keeping that. Then that promise new page you need to assign to the, so wait for the load state DOM, and then so let's see this one works or not. So instead of page we are using pop-up. Try give that also. That's why we tried with pages. Page is not working. Maybe it is considering as a pop-up, but it's not a pop-up, right? Pop-up means same window it will open. That's wrong. It's not pop-up. I'm sure it's not a pop-up. It's a page only. New page it is opening. It's not pop-up. This guy is misguiding us. Frame inside, right? There is no frame here. This guy is assuming automatically. There is no frame here. So there is no frame available in DOM. Okay. So yeah, this is what I am waiting for this. Wait for timeout. We can give a timeout here. So that's what I was waiting for that. And also force a new tab. This control will force a new tab. And this is what I was waiting before also. You just give some wait timeout and that will work out, I think, definitely. Previous code itself will work. Just a timeout we have to give. Yeah, it went fine. So, but I don't want to give this. What will happen? Let's see that. Let's comment this and give the previous one. Just I want this wait time only here. So I don't want to give this. Remove. Let's remove this. Just click method you use. Because we are giving a wait time here. It will wait for that. Right? It worked. So just a timeout you have to give, guys. Otherwise, it's not going to work out because it's very faster, and that's why it is not listening. So we have to wait for that piece to return a promise for us. Yeah. So that's the overall, and you can give here. You can see when you're opening the browser. So you can give even headless mode you want to run or not also. So you want to run and headless mode. Headless, see, headless you can just specify true or false. So for example, I want to run in headless mode. So no need to give headed mode, but just give that. So it will run in headless mode. It won't open a browser for us now. That's how we can specify in the launch method itself. If you want to run in headed mode, just to make that headless equal to false. Yeah, sorry, we cannot cover other thing. We'll cover in the evening class that keyboard one. But this is the one. Two test cases we covered: how to open two new pages, two different URLs. But this is not the real use case. But the real use case is this one. So when you click on something, it will open in the new page, and you have to switch to that and then perform the actions on that page. That's what we did here. Just if it is not working, just add this timeout. Then it will work for you. Okay. Any questions? I want to cover keyboard, but keyboard one. Is it working for you all? Anybody tried? Sant Kumar, I think you are trying. Is it working for you?
Maybe I'll see the recording session. Ramesh, I think
Okay.
I didn't copy that entire thing. I'll do that one.
Okay. And keyboard thing we'll do in the evening. Okay. And then we're good. So with all the basics, then we'll go for the framework. Okay. Thank you
Okay.
guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.